Hello everyone, this is our last discussion of the Neet 2021 examination Zoology part. So 168 question number. Person with AB blood group are called as universal recipient. Person with AB blood group are called as universal recipient. This is due to the option A, absence of antibodies anti A and anti B in plasma, absence of antigen A and B on the surface of the RBC. Option C, absence of antigen A and B in plasma, presence of antibodies anti-A and anti-B on RBCs. Universal recipient, actually it is a once in absence of antibodies anti-A and anti-B in plasma. So answer will be option 1. AB blood group, actually lack of antibodies. Antibodies, absence of antibodies anti-A and anti-B in plasma. Right. So next question, 169. Pars 169. This is a cockroach question. Which of the following characteristics is incorrect with respect to cockroach? 10th abdominal segment in both sexes bears a pair of anal cerci. A ring of gastric ceca is present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. Hypopharynx lies within the cavity enclosed by the mouth parts. In female, 7th and 9th sterna together form a genital pouch. It's a wrong statement. It's a ring of gastric ceca in present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. At the junction of midgut and hindgut, malpighian tubules are located. So answer will be 169 2. 170. Which of the following statement wrongly represent the nature of smooth muscle? Nature of smooth muscle wrongly represent the nature of smooth muscle. These muscles are present in the wall of the blood vessels. These muscles have no striatation. They are involuntary muscle. Communication among the cell is performed by intercalated disc. So 170, it will be 4, because these muscles are present in the wall of the blood vessel. This is also correct. These muscles have no striatation. Yes, muscles do not contain any striatation, and they are involuntary muscles. And 4, communication among the cell is performed by intercalated disc. So answer will be option 4. 171. Which of the following organism bears hollow pneumatic bones? Ornithorhynchus species, Neophoron, Hemidactylus, Macropus. Among them, only one birds are there, that is Neophoron. Neophoron, actually Egyptian vulture. Neophoron, that is Egyptian vulture. So it is a bird. So birds contain pneumatic bones. And so answer will be option 2. 171 2. 172. If the adenine makes 30% of the DNA molecules, what will be the percentage of thymine, guanine and cytosine in it? So we know, according to Chargaff's rules, A plus G by C plus T equal to 1, right? So adenine equivalent amount, what will be thymine? So thymine will be 30%, and A plus G plus C plus T, adenine plus guanine plus thymine plus cytosine, together they form 100%, represent 100%. So adenine already 30%, thymine also will be 30%. Guanine plus cytosine will be 40%. 100 minus 60, that is 40%. So G and C, guanine and cytosine, will be 20 and 20%. So 172, answer will be option 4. Which is which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of inactive fibrinogens to fibrin? Which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of inactive fibrinogen to fibrin? It will be thrombin. 173, answer will be 2. In a cross between a male and female, both heterozygous for sickle cell anemia gene, what percentage of the progeny will be diseased? In sickle cell anemia, both between a cross between a male and female, both heterozygous for sickle cell anemia gene. Now, if the both are heterozygous, that is capital A and small a and capital A small a. So it is a sickle cell anemia. It is a recessive disorder, right? Sickle cell anemia, it is a recessive disorder. So only the percentage is chances small a condition will represent the disease condition. So 174, it's a 20%, 25% chance, because 1 by 4 among 4 individual, one will be the affected or recessive condition, that is 25%, which answer will be 174 4. Now 175, which one of the following is an example of hormone releasing IUD? These are from reproductive health question. Which of the following is an example of hormone releasing IUD? Hormone releasing IUD is LNG20. Hormone releasing IUD LNG20. Answer will be option 3. The centrioles undergo duplication during, centriole actually undergo duplication during the S phase. Centrioles undergo duplication during the S phase. Chronic autoimmune disorder affecting neuromuscular junction leading to fatigue, weakening, paralysis of skeletal muscle is called, one is the gout, arthritis. Gout is not an autoimmune condition. Gout is caused due to deposition of uric acid or increase of the uric acid. Arthritis, muscular dystrophy, myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is the one of the important autoimmune disorder, leads to paralysis of the muscle. So answer will be option 4. 178, for effective treatment of the disease, early diagnosis and understanding its pathophysiology is very important. Which of the following molecular diagnostic technique is very useful for early detection? Now, hybridization technique, Western blotting technique, Southern blotting technique, and ELISA technique. Hybridization technique actually we use to hybridized between the either the in a disease condition. Suppose in a disease condition you are in a disease state, and another is the with healthy person or without disease. Then we hybridize, and then we can compare, but it's a long time process, long time, it will take time. Western blotting, Western blot is done for protein analysis, so for protein detection. It is also take time, not for early detection, like it will take time. Southern blotting also is for DNA. Southern for DNA and northern for RNA. Southern for DNA. So DNA, it's also take. So you have to collect the blood, and from the blood you have to isolate the DNA, and then you can analyze the by the method of Southern blotting technique. But it's also it's time consuming. So early detection is ELISA. ELISA is the early detection technique, can be done by performed. So answer will be option 4. ELISA stands for enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. It is a method for detection of presence of antigen and presence of antibodies in the antibodies as well as antigen can be detected in, and it is also useful technique for the molecular diagnosis technique, is very useful for early detection of most of the diseases. And these are the important technique used for. Now 179, read the following statement. Metagenesis is observed in helminths. Metagenesis is a process, we know it is one of the method is called alteration of generation, where from twin to twin, actually medusa and polyp both are twin, and medusa and polyp, this is a Cnidarian condition where medusa changes to polyp and polyp changes to medulla, and from twin both are diploid. So diploid to diploid change, actually these are known as metagenesis, and it's observed in the basically Cnidarians group, and so it's a wrong statement. So option 1 is wrong, A is wrong. So if we consider A is wrong, so next we see echinoderms are triple blastic and coelomate animal. Yes, echinoderms are triple blastic and coelomate animals. B is correct. Roundworm have organ system level of organization. Roundworm have organ system level of organization. Yes, this is a correct. Comb plates present in ctenophora helps in digestion, and water vascular system in characteristics of echinoderm. E also correct. So C, E, and D. So answer will be option 2. That is 179. Answer will be option 2. Now 180. Erythropoietin hormones which stimulate RBC formation is produced by option A, juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney, alpha cell of pancreas, the cells of rostral adenohypophysis, and the cells of bone marrow. This answer will be option 1, that is juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney, that is JGA, actually is secrete erythropoietin which helps in the formation of RBC. Now, with regard to insulin, choose the correct state option. C peptide is not present in mature insulin. C peptide is not present in mature insulin. And A is correct. The insulin produced by the rDNA technology has C-peptide. Insulin produced by the rDNA technology or recombinant DNA technology has C-peptide. The proinsulin has C-peptide. Yes, proinsulin have C-peptide. And A peptide and B peptide of insulin are interconnected by disulfide bridges. Yes, these are correct. So answer will be option D. That is A, C, and D. 181. That is 4. 182. Metamerism canal system complete nidoblast. Metamerism is the linear repetition of all organ in the all segment of the body is called metamerism. Metamerism actually found in the annelids. Canal system poriferans. Poriferan canal system, different types of canal systems are there like asconoid, cyconoid, leuconoid, and dragon type. Completes and nidoblast. Nidoblast cells and completes. So A will be 3. A3, B 4. A3, B4, option 3 and 4. Now, in case of C, complete, C, it will be Tinophora, complete, and nidoblast cell Coelenterata. So, answer will be option D, 120, 182, that is 4. 183. Which of the following is not an objective of biofortification in crop? Biofortification: improve micronutrients and mineral content, improve protein content, improve resistance to disease, improve vitamin content. So answer will be option 3, improve resistance to disease. It is not an objective of biofortification. So it's for improvement of micronutrients and mineral content, improve protein content, and improve vitamin content. Now 184, this is from biotechnology PCR question. During process of gene amplification using PCR, if very high temperature is not maintained in the beginning, then which of the following step of PCR will be affected? So in PCR steps, we know that there is a first step is called denaturation. In denaturation, during denaturation, we actually increase the temperature and then the DNA strand become separated. So it will affect the denaturation process. So 184 answer will be 4. Now, the fruit fly has 8 chromosomes, 20 in each cell. During interphase of mitosis, if the number of the chromosomes at G1 phase is 8, what will be the number of chromosome after S phase? It will be 8. There is no change in the chromosome number, only the DNA amount become double. If it is a DNA starting with 2C, after S phase it will be 4C. So chromosome, there is no change in the chromosome number. So 185 answer will be 2. Now it's a section B question, that is assertion and reason question. A person goes to high altitude and experiences altitude sickness with symptoms like breathing and difficulty and heart palpitation due to low atmospheric pressure at the high altitude. The body does not get sufficient oxygen. In it's a 186. The answer will be option 2. A and B are A are true, but R is not correct explanation of the A. 187. Statement 1. The codon AUG codes for methionine and phenylalanine. Statement 2. AAA and AAG both codons code for the amino acid lysine. 187. It's option 1 is the correct answer. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. 188. Following are the statement about the protostomium of earthworm. Protostomium of earthworm, answer will be option 2. A, B, and C are correct. 189. So 189, which of the following is not a step of multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology? 189, and answer will be 2. In cow is administered hormone having FSH like activity for superior ovulation. For superior ovulation we use FSH, not LH. It is having LH is given, so it is a wrong. It will be FSH. So answer will be option 2. 190, answer will be option 3. 191, which of the following secrete the hormone during the relaxin during the later phase of pregnancy? 191, it will be 3, corpus luteum. During muscular contraction, which of the following event occurs? 192, it will be option 2. 193, adenosine deaminase deficiency result into disease called, it's a immune deficiency, dysfunction of the immune system. 193, it will be 2. 193, ADA deficiency leads to SCID. 194, it will be 2. 195,